Hi friends, welcome to POFO WordPress Theme. In this video we will show how to use pricing table shortcode in WP Bakery Page Builder and explain about different helpful settings and different styles of pricing table shortcode. Pricing tables play an important for every company that offers products or services and wanted to showcase different plans and packages with different prices and features list. So first of all, log into WordPress admin backend, then create a new page or edit your existing page. Now you can see add element with plus icon. Click on row shortcode. Row shortcode is added to your page. Inside row, let me add 3 columns. Click on plus icon inside column. In pop-up window select POFO tab and click on pricing table shortcode. POFO provides 2 different pricing table styles. You can select your desired style. Let me select pricing table style 1. This is the icon, title, price, duration per month or yearly. This is the content area to showcase features, and this is call to action button. If you want to use your own custom icon image, then you can switch on this option and upload your custom icon image. Or you can use icon from font icon lists. Let me select icon from font icon. Let me enter plan title, price, duration and features content. Click on select URL with button configuration option. You can enter link of button here. Let me add hash for example. You can enter button text and link text option. You can also open link in new tab and add no follow option to link for SEO purpose. You can also select existing page to link on button, click using this area. Click on set link button. You can switch on off border. You can select text case for title and duration here. Go to Style tab, you can set background colors, icon size, border type, border size, border color, border radius and button-related color configurations. Typography tab, here you can manage typography of title, price and duration text. You can manage font size, line height, letter spacing, font weight, change font color, italic font on-off, change font color, font underline on-off. Go to Extra tab, this is element ID, you can assign unique ID to your element, then extra class name, you can add CSS class name here and then write custom CSS for this row. You can add custom CSS code in appearance customize panel, or you can add custom CSS code in child theme style file also. Let me save changes and preview it. You can see pricing table here. If you want to make it centered aligned, then change the column shortcode and click on Style tab. Select Center Align here. Save changes and preview it. It is center aligned now and looking very nice. Now go back to General tab of Pricing Table Settings pop-up and let me select Pricing Style 2. This is the style 2. Here you will have addition option, highlighting style on-off option. Save changes and preview it. You can see the normal layout of style 2. Now let me replicate created pricing table and move it to other 2 columns. Let me set highlighting style for pricing table of second center column. Save changes and preview it. You can see center column is highlighted. I hope this video has been helpful. Any more question about same or theme, you can contact via our support. Thank you for watching.